Hey everybody, welcome back. In this lecture we will work on the update cart button and continue shopping button and checkout button. This we need to add at the end of this table, this shopping cart, so customers can easily update this cart. So just I am on the same page, same source code. After this last tr inside the table, we need to actually insert one more tr tag, and inside the tr tag we'll insert 3 more td tags. This is one. I will just select it, copy it with Ctrl C, and we'll paste it twice. So in the first td we will just simply insert an input tag which type will be something like submit button, and its name will be is equal to update underscore cart, and value, which is the text, that will be update cart. This text basically appears or the button. And the second one I will simply say that something like input type will be the same, submit, and its name will be continue, and value for this button will be equal to continue shopping. That's it. And the third one, inside the third td I will write something like a link, a hub to checkout.php page, which we will create later on, but we can add that basically. So after the link we can insert a button, simple button, and we can say the button text will be checkout. We will close the button and then close the link ahrab. So Ctrl S to save. We have simply added these things, and now Ctrl S to save and refresh the page, and you can see the 3 buttons: update cart, continue shopping, and checkout. So we can make them center by using align attribute for the tr center. Now Ctrl S to save, come back, refresh the page, and you see there some difference, but we can also add some call span to the first td, because to make some more distance it will actually merge the extra tds in the last row. So just refresh it. Now you can see this is here and this is here, and now it's looking better basically. So this is the checkout link basically, it's going to checkout page. And we need to actually use this link or this text, and this will be ended or here inside the button I'm talking about. Now refresh the page again, and you see this is now a link. We can give some style to this link. For example, can remove the text decoration. Text decoration will be none, and color will be black. So that will simply remove this link style from this text. Refresh, you can see now this absolutely looks a button, but inside the button we have a link over here to checkout.php, which we will create later on this page, checkout, after this tutorial. So simple thing is to now start work the PHP script for this update cart button, so customers can update basically this cart if someone wants to remove any product or someone wants to add quantity or things like that. So we are now going to work for that. Just after the form tag, ending form tag, here I will start PHP block, ending PHP tag, and after that I will simply say if is set command $_post update cart. If update cart button is clicked or that is active, then what should be done inside the 2 curly brackets. So very simply I will say For each is basically a loop that actually has two parameters, the two parentheses where we give a condition, and after that the expression is done here inside the two curly brackets. So in the first I will say dollar underscore post. Inside the post we say we have we say inside a post method is there, and we have a remove name a button, and we need that as remove id. This is a variable which you can create over here with any name. This is a local variable. So if simply we are saying that basically we are running a loop over here, and the targeted input field is this one, which name is remove, and make it remove id variable, local variable. So as many records are there, because the while loop is running above, so how many records are there, all of them will be deleted, or whatsoever we can do with them. And one thing we have just I have just added over here is that before this video I did not add the value to it. We just added the remove and two square brackets, which makes it an array type of thing, but we are needed to add the value as well, and inside the value attribute we needed to echo the pro id, which is a variable, and bringing the product IDs here. You can see pro underscore id is equal to p price and p id. That was, we were basically getting this from the cart, and that we have given over here. You can see into this checkbox which name is remove, and we say we echoed this in the value. So therefore as many records are there, I mean many products IDs are there, all of them will be passed to this variable, I mean for each. Now we have all the the check boxes inside this remove underscore id variable. So the first thing is to write a query SQL query, but before the SQL query we need to actually do something. Here first of all a global, and make the connection as global variable, the database connection, so we can use that inside this PHP block. Or we can also use this without that, because this is not the functions page, or we are not running a function, so we can remove this. Simply we can do one thing, IP address is equal to get IP function that we have already in the inside the functions.php page, and we will, sorry, we did wrong over here. We need to go here to this place. Yeah, so the first thing is to simply say IP address is equal to, I think we have done some mistake in this part. No, that's okay. Now just come over here and say get IP function, and that is we have set that in the local variable. So now here inside the for each we'll say we'll create a delete underscore product variable. We will equal it to, inside this double quotes we will write the query SQL query delete from cart, where product underscore id is equal to remove id, which is this variable local we have created, and it has all the IDs, all the IDs inside the checkbox. And we will also say end IP underscore address, because we cannot delete all the products or all the things from all the users, because a specific user is going to use their own IP address and to remove and to update the cart. We will give this IP address here, that delete from cart, but where product ID p underscore id is equal to remove id, which is bringing the IDs, and we are saying IP address is equal to this one. That's very simple. Now another variable run underscore delete is equal to MySQL I underscore query, and in here we will add the connection variable and then the delete underscore product. That's it. Now in here we will say if run delete is done, then inside the two brackets we will simply refresh this page, the cart page. Echo, inside the echo double quotes we will insert JavaScript starting and closing tag. After that we will use window.open command and we'll simply refresh the page with the self attribute, I mean the same page. Cart.php we will redirect the person to cart, the same page, I mean just will refresh that page. So what we have done, I can once again give you an overview that we have this update cart option, I mean update cart button. So we said if I set post is the method and update cart the parameter or variable or button or whatsoever. So after that we use for each loop to get the product IDs from the remove field which is above, and we said pass that as remove ID local variable. We can give it any name, but for simplicity we have given it remove ID name. And after that we said delete products, delete from cart, where product ID p underscore id is equal to this thing and IP address is equal to IP. So the specific products for the specific user will be deleted or will be removed from the cart. Other things are simple. So we can now check it out. We'll go to our page, refresh it. Now I will click one, I will check this box, checkbox, the first one, and we'll click update cart. Oh, you can see one product has gone, and the prices and the items and everything are automatically updated, and that is the beauty of PHP. So I can remove the another one, update cart, that has also gone. If I go to shop, back to shop, and add some more products, for example this one, this one, this one, so I can one more product. This is 4 products and 2250 is the price. You can see 4 products are there. Now if I delete 3 at once, so I can remove 3 at once, so I can simply, I have checked them all and I will just click update cart. 3 are gone at once and prices and items are also updated. This is why, because we are running a for each loop for deleting all the IDs at once. That is done. Now after this last curly bracket, we will say if is set $_post continue. If someone wants to continue shopping, then very simply inside this curly brackets we'll say echo and simply redirect the person to inside a JavaScript, or you can simply copy this JavaScript, Control C to copy and paste it here. Just change the page to from cart to index.php. Control S to save. Come here, press the page, someone click this one, simply it will come to index page and will add more products. From here you can see it is updating automatically. Now going there and can remove or update the products or things like that. So it has done. Now in the next part we will work on the quantity field. If someone add quantity over here, so the price subtotal should also be changed, and furthermore we can bring that quantity inside this box as well. So that is last part for this thing, and after that we will work on the checkout. So after that we can use PayPal for checking out, and also we'll create the user accounts and the login and logout systems in registration form. Stay tuned.